This tutorial will help you learn how to import stock from Excel zip files and configure your item master database with nicknames, pricing, and stock quantities. You are about to start the tutorial to configure your item master database. Enter the URL shastra.setahub and to access the Shastra Distribution Planner. Click the address and search bar in the Chrome browser to begin navigating to the Shastra website. Enter your username given to you in login credentials. Fill in the password field for authentication. Click the I button to make the password visible and to confirm your input before signing in. Click the Sign In button to submit your credentials and access the application. Click the confirmation checkbox to agree that you are authorized to use this software and comply with applicable laws, terms, and conditions of the software. Click the Accept button to agree to the terms and proceed to use the software. Navigate to Settings section to access configuration options for the application. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to quickly access Settings section. Click on Item Configuration to view and modify configured items. There are two ways to add items. One is manual, and other is by importing from Excel or Zip. First, we will show you the manual method. To add item manually, enter the item code of the item. Enter the item name. Enter a nickname for the item for easy reference throughout the app interface. Enter the item value per quantity of item. That is the selling price of the item. Enter the minimum quantity billable of the item. That will be the least quantity you can sell or allocate. For example, the least quantity for an item X is 1 pack. That will be 0.01. For some, it may be 0.012 or 0.016. Click the Back button to return to the Settings menu. Click on the Import Stock menu to begin importing available stock data from an Excel file or a zip file. This is a sample Excel file containing stock items for demo. Make sure your Excel file has item codes in column C and stock quantities in column H. Row headers are automatically detected. Now, back to Shastra, Import Stock menu. Click on the Import Stock button. You can select an Excel file or a CSV file or a zip file containing Excel or CSV file. If any items from uploaded Excel aren't in Shastra Item Master, a pop-up will appear showing missing items. The system pre-fills item code from column C, item name from column D, and stock quantity from column H. Fill in the nickname. Enter the item value per quantity of item. That is the selling price of the item. Enter the minimum quantity billable of the item. That will be the least quantity you can sell or allocate. For example, the least quantity for an item X is 1 pack. That will be 0.01. For some, it may be 0.012 or 0.016. Click the Add Item button to add it. Do this for all the items. You can click on Skip this item if you don't want to add it. Click the Back button to return to the Settings menu. Click on Item Configuration to review the items added. You can click the Edit icon on any item to modify details, or the Delete icon to remove items. You can drag and drop items to reorder their sequence. The same sequence order will be reflected in your distribution interface and elsewhere in the software. This tutorial guided you through logging in, configuring items, importing stock data, and finalizing item masters in the Shastra Distribution Planner. You can now manage your distribution planning efficiently and explore advanced features for optimization.